Wanna make money online, but the market is too broad so you don't know where to start? In this video, I will be giving you 5 ways to make money online. So watch till the end and I will also be giving you a bonus method. Alright? So for the first method, you can have your online store. Alright? So I'm going to show you how to build your own online store. You would come to this website called Redbubble. You would sign up for free. All right, it's easy to sign up. You'd sign up for free. If you have an account, you log in. So what you can do here, as you're seeing, sell your art. All right, so for instance, you can make logos. You can put it on clothing, t-shirt, mask, phone cases, wall art, etc. All right, and you can sell it at any price range you feel comfortable because this will be your own store. All right, so as you can see here, once you can come up with a design or a craft, you can do this. If you can't come up with any design for yourself, you can find a website called Canva and you can find all sorts of different logos and you can match it to anything here. And how you can get traffic to your store, you can do this by Facebook ads or YouTube ads, and that's how you can make money online from your own online store with Redbubble. All right, so for the number 2 method, you can be a freelancer. So you're going to do freelancing. So you can come to Fiverr right here. All right, you can choose from any category in what you can provide your assistance. For instance, you can build logo. For instance, you can do game art. For instance, you can build website design, flyer design, whatever you can do here. Here they have different platform as well, digital marketing, writing, translation. You can go through everything here and choose whatsoever you're good at. And also here you can make money 2 different ways from this platform because you can promote to earn. So if you refer this to someone and they click your link that you referred them from and they purchase, you will be getting $100. How is that for a start? Please subscribe so the channel can grow and leave a like so YouTube can get the algorithm. Alright, so choose from whatever you want to hear. For instance, you can be logo design. I'm gonna show you a fast insight of how much money persons are making from simply making logo design. All right, this person is charging $20 for their basic package. If you should go on their offer, you're going to see basic $20, standard $85, and premium $145. All right, so that's a lot of money from just making logos. And the best part about it is you don't have to make these logos yourself. You can go on the website I just spoke about, Canva. You can find a lot of free logos. All right, you can put the logos here and sell them to persons. This person have 4.9k star and he sell over 1,000 persons. These persons, they can't give you stars unless they purchase from you. So this person, imagine, check just their basic $20 times 1,000 and you will see how much money they're making. All right, so that's the second method of how you can make money online. So for the third method is being an Instagram influencer. So you would come to Instagram. As you can see here, this person here have over 3 million followers and their Instagram page name is Wealth. So if you want to mimic this person to be an Instagram influencer, it's very easy. Let me show you what you would do. All right, their name is Wealth. You can name Wealth Lifestyle. All right, you look at their contents and you try to find similar content to these. You can even use their same contents because As I'm looking through these, I can see that their content that is repost, because I have seen this content elsewhere. All right, so you can repost content that is already post. You can follow these person followers and they will follow you as well. And when you have over 10,000 followers or even less, person will be reaching out to you saying, hey, can you put up this on your page for me so persons can find me? And you can charge them just to do that. And you can go on other platforms to sign up to be an influencer, where persons are going to find persons to do these sorts of things for them. All right, so you would go to one of the influencer card, you would sign up. Persons will be coming there to find persons that is offering this service, and you will be getting paid just to put up someone post for 24 hours or 5 hours whatsoever, and you can make money just like that. All right, please remember to give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. All right, and for the fourth method how you're gonna do this, you can use YouTube. All right, so create a YouTube channel in the niche that you prefer. If you want to do make money online, if you want to do health and fitness, if you want to do motivational, it doesn't matter. You niche down to what you prefer. You make these kind of videos and YouTube will be paying you whenever you have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm trying to climb. I'm just 117. I'm still excited about my subscribers. So yeah, I'm climbing. But anyway, create a YouTube account, build your channel, and start putting some content forward to make money. All right, and you can double making money from YouTube in terms of you can do affiliate marketing. Add links in your description to make money differently from making money by being paid from YouTube. All right, so that is the number 4th method. And for the grand finale, you will be using TikTok. All right, create a TikTok account, choose whatsoever you want to promote. All right, make your TikTok account surrounding that. For instance, you want to promote some form of health and fitness. You will make a short, unique video saying, hey, I purchased a keto recipe the other day and I lost a lot of weight in a week time. And in that video, you can have a call to action saying, contact me if you want to get this, etc. All right, and that is so easy. So that's it. You can't believe, right? Well, yes, that is it. Create a TikTok account and choose the things that you want to make money from. Make short videos surrounding these things. Add a call to action in the video so persons will know that they can reach out to you if they want this. TikTok is very broad and it's booming. A lot of persons are making millions of dollars from TikTok. I'm not as yet, but try this out for yourself. What you got to lose? Nothing. Give it a try. All right. And for the bonus method, I would like you to come to Facebook and create an email list. Use Facebook. Why I choose Facebook? It's big and broad like the other platforms, but to me it's easier. So what you will do, you will go to group. You find groups to make money online. All right, you would go in that group and you would give away a free ebook just like this one. All right, give away a free ebook just like this one. You can get them from PLR Me or Free PLR. Okay, give away the free ebook with a landing page. So in return, you're collecting emails for the book you're giving away in the niche of making money online. So you would find a book that specifies about how you can make money online. All right, you will give away the book for the emails, and with the email you can market other stuff to persons with their emails. All right, so this is simple and easy. Please take action. All right, I just gave you 5 different ways plus a bonus way, and please give this a try because they're gonna help you. Give this a try because they're proven, and a lot of persons are making millions from these methods I just showed you. All right, so remember to subscribe. Come again soon because a lot of contents are coming one after the other. Thank you again, and we're out.